Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Selenium config Silverbullet step by step. Start by creating a dedicated config file named Silverbullet, JSON, and set default browser to Chrome. Next, add headless, timeout, and retry properties with sensible defaults. Then include a targeted test list to reduce runtime and increase reliability. Finally, validate the file with a linter, run a quick smoke test, and iterate based on failures for a stable setup. Start by creating the base Silverbullet config with only essential keys so changes stay focused and reversible. Set browser to Chrome, enable headless when needed, and choose a modest default timeout. Group slow or flaky tests into a separate suite to avoid slowing every run. Keep retry counts low to surface real issues quickly. Validate syntax with a linter and commit the minimal config to your repository for team use. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more focused guides just like this. Quick recommendation: I use comfy socks during long debug sessions. They keep me calm and focused and worth the splurge. The product I mentioned is shown here, and you can find the link plus other deals in the description. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Optimize Silverbullet by adjusting timeouts, concurrency, and retry policies based on real metrics from your CI environment. Prefer explicit waits over fixed sleeps to keep tests resilient and faster. Cache browser drivers and reuse sessions when possible to cut startup overhead. Limit parallel jobs to match CPU and memory to avoid flaky failures. Measure before and after changes so each tweak shows clear improvements in speed or stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.